Let's be honest, we've all played the annual guessing game. You spend a fortune at the garden center in May, only to watch those fragile flowers wither away by August because you dared to take a weekend trip. But here's the real secret. You don't need a green thumb, and you definitely don't need to keep burning through cash every spring. There is a secret class of indestructible perennials that actually love living in pots, and they are about to make your garden look effortlessly stunning year after year. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are completely shattering the myth that beautiful container gardens require endless daily maintenance, constant pampering, and meticulous watering schedules. If you've watched expensive annuals collapse under the midsummer sun, let me tell you, it wasn't your fault. You were just growing high-maintenance plants. By shifting your focus to permanent, ultra-resilient perennials, you can build low-work container landscapes that survive freezing winters and return bigger and better every season. We are uncovering 15 zero-effort plants that thrive on neglect, including one hidden gem that treats absolute drought like a luxury vacation. But remember, a good container always needs drainage holes to survive long-term. Let's begin now. Number 1. Hostas, Hosta spp. The shade-loving survivor. Let's start our list with a shade-loving powerhouse that turns dark, neglected patio corners into lush, tropical paradises without asking for a thing in return. The hosta. Most gardeners don't realize how exceptionally well hostas thrive within the tight confines of a pot. They provide stunning structural beauty from early spring until the first hard frost with their large, architectural foliage. Even better, container planting acts as a built-in natural defense system, making it much harder for destructive slugs or voles to reach them. For small spaces, choose beautiful variegated varieties to bring instant light to dim spots. Just use a heavy pot to prevent wind tipping and ensure drainage. But if your patio is baked in blistering, unforgiving sunlight instead of shade, this next succulent-like wonder is completely unkillable. Number 2. Sedum Autumn Joy Hylotelephium Autumn Joy, the drought-defying sculptor. That unkillable option is Sedum Autumn Joy. This drought-defying sculptor is the absolute premier choice for pots exposed to intense, direct afternoon sun. Its thick, fleshy succulent leaves store water beautifully, allowing it to easily withstand prolonged dry spells when you completely forget to water it. The real secret is its incredible multi-season visual transformation. It starts with pale green, broccoli-like buds in early summer, opens into dusty pink flower heads in late summer, and finally deepens into a rich rust red in autumn. Plant it in well-draining succulent mix, avoiding heavy clay which causes rot. Leave the seed heads for great winter structural interest. Now, if you want that same level of toughness but crave explosive, jaw-dropping color variations that last all winter long, you need this next foliage masterpiece. Number 3. Heuchera Coral Bells, the evergreen color bomb. That masterpiece is Heuchera, also known as Coral Bells, our evergreen color bomb. Heucheras offer an endless palette of striking colors, ranging from deep obsidian purples and lime greens to burnt caramels and rich rose tones. Most gardeners don't realize how gracefully they adapt to fluctuating light conditions, thriving from morning sun to deep afternoon shade. Because they feature a compact, mounded growth habit, they fit beautifully into mixed containers or stand alone elegantly with zero pruning or fussing. Just elevate the container on pot feet during wet winter months to ensure drainage. In cold northern zones, watch for extreme winter freeze-thaw cycles pushing roots out of soil. While stunning leaves are fantastic, sometimes you just want classic, indestructible flowers that bloom non-stop, which brings us to a rugged classic. Number 4. Daylilies, Hemerocallis spp. The unkillable bloom machine. That rugged classic is the daylily, the unkillable bloom machine. Daylilies handle container life with absolute ease because their thick, fleshy tuberous roots store massive amounts of energy and moisture. This allows them to easily shrug off erratic watering schedules and poor soil conditions. I highly recommend compact, reblooming varieties like Stella de Oro, which produce an abundance of bright, cheerful blossoms from early summer right through to autumn frost. They are virtually immune to common pests, diseases, or urban air pollution. Select a deep, sturdy container to accommodate the robust root system. Just snap off spent blooms quickly to keep the display looking completely tidy. If you love that vibrant floral look but want something that actively draws in beautiful butterflies while defending itself against heat waves, look at this. Number 5. Salvia/wood sage, Salvia nemorosa, the pollinator magnet. We are looking at hardy perennial salvia, the ultimate pollinator magnet. Salvia produces rich spikes of deep violet, blue, or pink flowers that stand perfectly upright, creating an incredible vertical element in any container arrangement. Its high aromatic oil content naturally deters common pests like deer and rabbits, while drawing in bees and butterflies. Once established in a sunny pot, salvia asks for very little, handling intense midsummer heat waves beautifully. Avoid over-fertilizing your pots, as excess nutrients cause stems to grow weak and flop over. It requires full direct sunlight for 6 hours daily to produce its signature intense color. Give it a quick mid-season haircut for reblooms. Next up is a true prairie native that brings a wild, sun-drenched aesthetic straight to your doorstep without any of the traditional fuss. Number 6. Purple coneflower, Echinacea purpurea, the rugged summer icon. That native choice is the purple coneflower, our rugged summer icon. Echinacea is naturally built to endure intense heat, high winds, and periods of prolonged drought thanks to its deep, tough root structure. Most gardeners don't realize that dwarf or compact varieties are specifically bred to remain perfectly proportioned inside medium-sized patio pot. This prairie survivor brings a rustic, natural charm to your space with its prominent, seed-filled central cones and colorful daisy-like petals. The real secret is that this plant requires zero deadheading to survive. If you leave the spent flower heads intact into winter, they create a natural feeding station for local songbird. Just use a deep pot for its taproot and avoid waterlogged winter soil. To balance out those strong, upright lines, you need a soft, billowing cloud of blue that thrives on absolute neglect. Number 7. Catmint, Nepeta ex Fossini, the neglect-loving carpet. That billowing cloud is catmint, our neglect-loving carpet. Catmint is a premier low-effort choice for creating a soft, cascading romantic look along the edges of your container displays. It produces a continuous, hazy cloud of lavender blue flowers over aromatic gray-green foliage from late spring all the way through autumn. The real secret is that it actually prefers being slightly ignored and thrives in poor, fast-draining soil mixes. Unlike its wild cousin catnip, ornamental catmint maintains a clean, mounded shape that gently spills over the rims of your pots, effortlessly hiding ugly container edges. It requires almost no watering once established, making it the ultimate safety net plant for busy weeks. Shearing the plant back by half mid-season rewards you with fresh growth in days. If you love that cascading look but want to swap the soft blue flowers for a dramatic waterfall of bright, neon gold leaves, look at this. Number 8. Creeping Jenny, Lysomachia nummularia aurea, the spillover champion. We are looking at the golden variety of Creeping Jenny, our ultimate spillover champion. This fast-growing, vibrant chartreuse ground cover acts as the quintessential trailing element in modern container designs. Its small, rounded, coin-like leaves cascade rapidly down the sides of pots, creating a stunning visual effect that instantly highlights your display. It has a unique ability to brighten up shady or partially sunny spots with its brilliant lime-green foliage. But here's where things change. Unlike our desert-loving succulents, this trailer prefers consistent moisture to maintain its vibrant, glowing color. At first, a mist watering looks bad, but a quick soak will revive its springy stems almost instantly. Pair it with dark purple heuchera for a professional, high-contrast look. Now, let's pivot from a plant that likes a steady drink to one that brings year-round architectural structure without asking for water. Number 9. Blue Fescue, Festuca glauca, the low-maintenance texture king. That structural star is blue fescue, the low-maintenance texture king. This ornamental grass delivers striking visual texture and a unique icy blue color palette straight to your container garden. Its neat, rounded, spiky tufts resemble festive pincushions, adding an instant modern or contemporary flair to any basic porch or patio setup. Blue fescue is inherently drought-tolerant and actually thrives when confined to the tight root spaces of a pot, maintaining its tidy shape without spreading aggressively. The real secret is that this hardy grass requires no pruning, deadheading, or fertilizing throughout the growing season. It retains its structural form through autumn and winter, offering multi-season value with absolute minimum effort. In spring, simply comb through the blades with gloved hands to pull away old foliage. If that cool, icy blue has you craving a burst of intense, fiery warmth, this next solar-powered flower is exactly what you need. Number 10. Blanket Flower Gaillardia x grandiflora, the heat wave warrior. That fiery warmth comes from the blanket flower, our true heat wave warrior. This vibrant perennial brings a festive explosion of hot red, orange, and yellow tones to sunny containers. Most gardeners don't realize that this rugged plant actually thrives in poor potting soil and handles blistering, direct afternoon heat with total ease. It features an exceptionally long blooming cycle, which starts in late spring and continues without interruption until the first heavy winter frost arrives. The real secret is that Gaillardia performs much better when its soil is allowed to dry out completely between waterings. This makes it an ideal option for hot balconies or open decks where delicate flowers would quickly sunburn. Avoid adding rich compost or heavy fertilizers, as this causes weak stems. Speaking of plants that love a hot, dry environment, let's look at a famous Mediterranean classic that brings luxury fragrance to your space. Number 11. Black-Eyed Susan Rudbeckia fulgida, the late-season sunshine. That late-season sunshine comes from the classic Black-Eyed Susan. This dependable, cheerful late-summer flowering perennial requires absolute minimal care to produce a massive canopy of blossoms. Its iconic yellow petals surround a deep brown central cone, bringing a classic cottage garden aesthetic straight to your patio pot. Rudbeckia is incredibly tough, easily tolerating urban conditions, sudden heat waves, and periods of irregular watering without ever losing its crisp visual appeal. It handles the restricted root space of containers beautifully while remaining upright and sturdy. Home gardeners will appreciate that it requires no special feeding regimes or complex pruning schedules. Just ensure you choose a large container and place it in full sun, as hidden shady positions reduce blossoms. Next comes an airy mist matching this extreme toughness. Number 12. Russian Sage, Salvia yengii/Perovskia, the tough-as-nails illusionist. That airy mist belongs to Russian Sage, our tough-as-nails illusionist. This plant possesses a unique ability to look incredibly delicate and wispy while being practically indestructible. It features long, elegant wands of lavender blue flowers and silvery foliage that create a beautiful, ethereal texture on high-rise balconies or exposed decks. The real secret is that Russian sage treats intense heat, baking direct sunlight, and severe drought as ideal growing conditions. Because it features sturdy woody stems, it retains its structure perfectly even in windy locations without flopping over. This plant requires absolutely no pampering, no deadheading, and very little water. Just prune the entire plant down to a few inches in early spring to stimulate fresh growth. Next, look at a tiny marvel that redefines total minimalism. Number 13. Hens and Chicks, Sempervivum tectorum, the zero-water desert queen. That tiny marvel is Hens and Chicks, our zero-water desert queen. This alpine succulent serves as the ultimate test of survival for the truly hands-off container gardener. These fascinating, Geometric rosettes multiply completely naturally by producing tiny offsets around the mother plant, quickly filling out shallow decorative bowls. They survive freezing northern winters just as easily as they endure blistering summer droughts on open patios. It is the perfect choice for small balcony tables or windowsills, requiring nothing more than a tiny splash of water a few times a month during summer. Use a gritty cactus soil mix and avoid overwatering at all costs. The single biggest danger is stagnant water inside the rosette, which causes rot. To complete our list, our final plant is a historic survivor. Number 14. Yarrow Achillea millefolium, the medical-grade survivor. That historic native survivor is yarrow, our medical-grade powerhouse. Yarrow produces beautiful flat-topped flower clusters and feathery fern-like foliage inside your patio pot. It excels at handling harsh winds, intense sun, and poor potting soils with absolute ease, making it an excellent anchor plant for exposed decks. Modern cultivated varieties offer stunning color options, including deep reds, bright terracottas, and pastel yellows. Yarrow's exceptionally tough nature means it rarely suffers from common pests or diseases throughout the season. While it can spread vigorously when planted directly in ground beds, confining it to a container perfectly controls its growth habit for easy management. Cut back faded flowers to stimulate a late summer rebloom. Now let's look at 3 lazy master secrets to keep them completely happy for years. Bonus expert tips section. To ensure your permanent container garden thrives for years without extra work, you must follow 3 essential lazy master secrets. First, let's demystify winter protection. Because these plants are hardy perennials, they do not need to be brought indoors when freezing temperatures arrive. Simply group your pots together tightly against a protected house wall to insulate the root systems from harsh winter winds. Second, choose your container materials wisely. Avoid thin, cheap plastics that crack in winter freezes or bake roots in the intense summer heat. Instead, invest in high-quality, frost-proof resin or thick terracotta containers. Finally, the ultimate lazy soil secret is using a premium, fast-draining potting mix blended with plenty of extra perlite or coarse grit. This layout guarantees proper oxygen flow and moisture control, eliminating the need for frequent, frustrating soil changes every spring season. But remember, a pot without a proper drainage hole at the bottom is an absolute death sentence for any perennial, no matter how tough or drought-tolerant it naturally is. Take 2 minutes to verify drainage before planting anything this weekend. These basic preparations will ensure your beautiful potted display returns significantly bigger and better every single spring season. Outro plan. At the end of the day, gardening should always bring pure joy and relaxation into your life, not endless daily stress and empty wallet. It is time to officially step away from the fragile annual replanting cycle and embrace the permanent, effortless beauty of these tough container perennials. Your next practical action step is simple. Head to your favorite local nursery this weekend with this list in hand, and pick out just 2 or 3 varieties to start your low-maintenance outdoor transformation. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Which of these 15 indestructible perennials is going into your patio pots first? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. If you found today's video helpful, please hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more real-world gardening secrets that save you time and money. Happy gardening, everyone! Now,